When people talk about the most talented members of Stray Kids, Han is always part of the conversation. And honestly, he should be. He's one of the group's main producers. He's an incredible rapper. His vocals can surprise even longtime fans. His songwriting credits continue to grow every year. At this point, Han Ji-sung has earned the title of all-rounder so many times that it almost feels repetitive to say it. But here's something I think doesn't get discussed nearly enough. Han is also an amazing dancer. In fact, I would go as far as saying that many fans still underestimate just how good he actually is. And the reason for that might be simple. When someone is already known for being a rapper, singer, songwriter, producer, entertainer, and performer, people naturally focus on those strengths first. Dancing ends up becoming the talent that gets overshadowed. But if you've ever watched certain Han fancams or paid close attention during specific performances, you've probably noticed something. Han doesn't just execute choreography, he owns it. He makes you watch him even when he isn't supposed to be the center. So today, let's talk about 5 performances that prove Han isn't just an all-rounder. He's a genuinely incredible dancer. Let's start with Domino. Now, Domino is already one of Stray Kids' most iconic B-sides. And honestly, it feels like one of those songs that could have been a title track in another universe. The energy is chaotic, confident, playful, and aggressive all at the same time. It's the perfect environment for someone like Han to shine. Most people immediately think about his iconic verse when they hear Domino, and that's understandable. That verse has become legendary among fans. But what really stands out to me is how naturally he embodies the choreography. There's a certain swagger in the way he moves during Domino. Every step feels intentional. Every gesture feels like part of the song's attitude. What I love about Han's dancing is that he doesn't look like he's counting steps in his head. He looks like he's having fun. And that's harder than it sounds. A lot of technically skilled dancers can execute choreography perfectly, but very few can make difficult choreography look effortless. Han does that exceptionally well. During the dance break especially, his stage presence explodes. It's impossible not to watch him. Next is Super Bowl, and honestly, I think this performance perfectly demonstrates why Han is considered an ace. This song allows him to show almost every skill he possesses. He gets rap sections. He gets vocal moments. He gets center time. And somehow he excels in all of them simultaneously. What makes Super Bowl special is how magnetic Han becomes when he's in the center. Some idols command attention through powerful movements. Others rely on facial expressions. Han somehow combines both. When he steps into the center position during the chorus, your eyes naturally follow him. I think that's one of the most underrated aspects of dancing. Being a great dancer isn't only about technique. It's about directing the audience's attention. Han has mastered that skill. He understands how to use eye contact, expressions, posture, and movement to make viewers focus on him. That's why so many of his fancams go viral. It's not just because fans love him, it's because he knows how to perform. Then we have Top. And if we're talking about choreography that showcases Han's abilities, this one absolutely deserves a place on the list. Even years later, Top remains one of Stray Kids' most powerful performances. The choreography is intense, dramatic, and physically demanding. But what makes Han's role particularly impressive is the dance break. This isn't a standard dance break where everyone remains standing and executing large movements. Much of it happens on the floor. Floor choreography can be surprisingly difficult because it requires strength, flexibility, control, and timing all at once. You can't rely solely on energy. You need precision. Watching Han lead these moments is fascinating because he never looks uncomfortable. Even during the most demanding sections, he appears completely in control. Personally, I think this performance reveals something important about Han as a dancer. He adapts. Whether the choreography requires explosive power or technical control, he finds a way to excel. That's the mark of a versatile performer. Now let's talk about All In. If you're a longtime stay, you probably already know where this is going. All In is one of those songs that feels larger than life. The moment the intro starts, you immediately know you're about to experience something memorable. And Han absolutely thrives in that environment. There's something about this song that perfectly magically matches his energy. The choreography itself is addictive. It's packed with satisfying movements and memorable moments. But what elevates it even further is Han's performance quality. One thing I've always noticed is how effectively choreography gets incorporated into his verses. When Han performs, he doesn't separate dancing from rapping. Both elements become part of the same performance. The movements enhance the lyrics, and the lyrics enhance the movements. That's why his sections in All In feel so impactful. It's not just that he's dancing well, it's that he's communicating the song's personality through every movement. And honestly, I think that's one of the reasons fans love watching him so much. But if we're talking about Han's greatest dance performances, there is one song that simply cannot be ignored: Double Knot. For many fans, this is the performance. This is the moment that instantly comes to mind when discussing Han as a dancer. And honestly, I understand why. Double Knot is packed with power. The choreography demands confidence, aggression, speed, and control. It's one of those performances where weakness becomes immediately visible, yet Han attacks every move with complete conviction. The dance break remains one of the most iconic moments of his career. What stands out to me most is his body control. Every movement looks sharp. Every transition feels smooth. There's a level of fluency in his dancing that makes difficult choreography look surprisingly natural. And then there's his stage presence. During Double Knot, Han doesn't simply perform the choreography. He dominates it. He feels completely immersed in the song's energy. That's what makes the performance so memorable. You're not watching someone complete dance moves. You're watching someone command a stage. And after looking at all 5 performances, I think a pattern starts to emerge. The reason Han is such an impressive dancer isn't because he's the most technical dancer in Stray Kids. Even Han himself would probably acknowledge the incredible dance abilities of members like Lee No and Hyunjin. What makes Han special is the combination of skills he brings to the stage. He has strong technique, he has excellent musicality, he has powerful stage presence, he has charisma, he understands storytelling. Most importantly, he understands performance. He knows how to make audiences feel something. That's why fancams of Han often become addictive. You start watching because of the choreography, but you stay because of his energy. He has this rare ability to make every performance feel exciting, even if you've seen the song 100 times before. And honestly, I think that's one of the highest compliments you can give any performer. So now I want to hear from you. Which Han performance convinced you that he was an incredible dancer? Was it Double Knot? Domino? Super Bowl? All In? Top? Or is there another performance you think deserves a place on this list? Maybe La La La, God's Menu, Maniac, or something completely different? Let me know, because one thing is certain: Han's dancing deserves a lot more recognition than it gets. People often call him an ace because he can do everything. But sometimes I wonder if that label actually hides just how exceptional each individual talent really is. Because when you focus solely on his dancing, it's clear that Han isn't just good for an all-rounder. He's genuinely one of the most captivating performers in K-pop today.